We are happy to present a partially furnished 3-bedroom 4th floor apartment with a balcony and 11 square meter winter garden with a view of a green area. The living room is connected to the southward facing winter garden by glass doors and windows. The kitchen is fully fitted by all appliances, such as a dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, range hood, electric stove, and electric oven. The apartment has 2 bathrooms. The first bathroom is ensuite to the master bedroom, including a bath, toilet, and 2 sinks. The second bathroom serves the other 2 bedrooms and includes a shower, toilet, and sink. There is an 11 square meter terrace facing north overlooking the Sarka Valley, a beautiful nature reserve. Also included is a parking space in the building's underground garage. Internet, telephone, and a satellite surveillance system are all also available. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact our English-speaking agent.